He's got a funny tail. Look at it. It's cute. Even the indoor is neon. Yeti. 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 Ow, my back. Ow. Hi guys, it's Isabella. Thanks for watching my videos. Make sure to subscribe below and hit that like button. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to another Adopt Me video. Today I'm going to be making 5 more neon pets. If you're wondering how I managed to level up pets quickly, then watch this video here. Today I'm going to merge 5 of the new Christmas 2020 pets. The Snowman, Lynx, Ox, Yeti, and Snow Owl. There's another pet that came out for Christmas, which is the Frost Fairy, but they cost Robux, so I have one of them in my collection. Here, Frost Fairy. Why did someone pick me up? Okay, let's go make some more neon pets. Remember, to make a neon pet, you need 4 fully grown pets. Let's start off with the snowman. Let's see what it looks like. I think the nose is going to glow and the buttons. Okay, let's see. Do this. Of course it's going to be neon. I knew it! The nose and buttons are going to be glowy. Hi, Snowman. Hi. Hi. I love you. Yay, I have a new friend. Okay, let's do the Lynx. Lynx. Here. Let's do the Ox first. These are called Musk Ox. Let's see. I think the horns are going to be neon. Let's see. Oh my god, the body's neon as well. Wait, that's a fur. Okay, but I love it. I love it. I got another new friend. Hi, neon. I love you, buddy. Now let's do the Lynx. Oh, okay. Lynx. But I know they're all fully grown. Because I did AFK on them. Baby, come on. Oh my god! The ears are neon, and every decoration on it is neon. Even these bits. What are they? I don't know. He's got a funny tail. Look at it. It's cute. Even the indoor is neon. No. Okay, let's do the Yeti next. Oh, yeah. Yeti. 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 Here we go. $20. I think the horns and the fur is going to be neon. Where am I going? Here. I think the horns and the fur is going to be neon, but I don't know what else. Yeti, horns, fur, feet, and yay! I was correct. The horns were going to be neon, but I didn't know the hands and feet were going to be neon. Anyways, I love it, so cute! I have another new friend. I have 4 new friends. Yay! 4 new friends, I love them. Now let's do the final one, Snow Owl. They took me a long time to do because just remember in my last video I said the more rare your pets are, then the more tasks you'll need to get up. I think the ears are going to be neon. Yes, I knew the ears are neon. Yeah. Even the wings are neon. My God. It's so neon. I love it. Okay, today as a bonus, I'm going to apply fly and ride to this snow owl. Feed. Fly. Feed fly a pet potion forever to pet. Yes. I've never seen it done before. That's it. I guess. Yay! Fly! Yay! Okay, let's apply a ride to it now. Let's see what it looks like in inventory first of all. Oh yeah. Yay! Yay! Okay, let's apply the ride. Yes! Drink, my baby! You can now ride your pet. Woo! And if you don't know the difference between ride and fly, so the difference is that when you're riding it, you can just go side to side and on the flat. So it's just like flying, but except you go in a flat surface. But with fly, you can go up, down, anywhere. So look, this is ride, and I'm trying to go up, and I can't. And ow, my back. Ow! Stop. Okay. And then this is fly. You can go anywhere. Oh. And you can also reach this crystal. So pretty. Whoa. Hypnotizing. This month I'm going to do a Neon Pets giveaway, guys. Make sure to watch this video. Wait, I want to go outside and do it. It looks pretty cool in the dark because then it's like a torch. Okay, thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye, connect the hearts. Place one of your hands on top of mine.